Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen, and so today I'm gonna be what time is it? It's 6, so no, almost 6. So I'm about to cook dinner, and after that I will be cleaning some jars that I bought at TJ Maxx not too long ago, maybe a year ago, and they started rusting. So I looked around on Google how to clean that, so I'm gonna try that today, and of course sharing that with you guys. And also I will be cleaning my glass kettle. I've noticed some lime scale on the bottom of the pot, so I will be cleaning that one also and show you how I clean that. But first of all, I'm gonna start cooking dinner, and what I'm cooking today is pork chops. Hey, it's some pork chops. I didn't have any idea how to do it. Peekaboo. Looking in my pantry, I saw some cream of mushrooms, so I will be using that. Here's the cream of mushrooms. I don't have mushrooms, so I will just be using that and probably some potatoes. We're cooking that with some potatoes, onions, since I don't have mushrooms, and with some spaghettis. So let's go and start seasoning the pork chop first, and then start boiling the water. Let's go. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside. And so meanwhile I'm going to start boiling the water. Here. Oh, I need to get used to this. And then the pan for the pork chops. Yes, here we go. I'm gonna cover this so it will go a little bit faster. I mean, that's what I think. So I'm gonna add some butter here and some olive oil. So now that the butter has melted, so I'm gonna place the pork chops in the pan, and I will be cooking each side for 10 minutes each. So 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other side, because I need to make sure it's well done. So while my meat is cooking, I'm gonna start peeling off my potatoes. As you can see, they have started germinating, so it was time to cook them. Yeah, and I'm just gonna cut them in the cube shape. I don't need them to be too small. And so now my water is boiling also. I'm gonna add my spaghettis. I'm not gonna do anything too complicated, just simple spaghettis with butter, and that's it. I don't know why, but I really like this nail polish, and I usually don't paint my fingernails, but I've decided to let my nails grow because I always have them short, and now that is longer. Of course, you see my index finger was broken. It's broken, and I'm pretty sure this nail polish is not gonna last that long, because I know later on I have to wash my daughter's hair. Probably gonna have to remove it before tonight, but anyway, I'm trying. So now that both sides are brown, I'm gonna remove them from the pan and then reuse that same oil to make my sauce. So for the sauce I will just add all my ingredients and of course the mushroom, the cream of mushroom, sorry, and then go from there. And to add more sauce I will just add 1 can of water to have more sauce, and then later on I will add the pork chops to finish the cooking. So just for the sauce to get into the meat, so it will be yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt, not too much, because remember the cream of mushrooms, it's pretty salty already. So just be careful with the salt. Looks delicious, so I'm gonna eat this, and then like I told you guys, I'm gonna clean my jars and my teapot or glass kettle. Okay, see you later. So here we go again. I'm about to clean these jars. I have 3 of them, and as you can see, there's a lot of rust around it. So I think the reason why they have rust is probably because my hands were wet, because these are I was storing seasoning in that, so every time I was cooking my hands were probably wet. So I will be using some baking soda. Most of us have baking soda in our kitchens, and some lime juice. You can also use lemon juice from the bottle, I think will be fine, but I'm using fresh one right now. So what I would do is mixing the 2 ingredients together to, the goal is to have some paste, a pasty texture, and then apply it to the jar. So here we go. Now that I'm adding the baking soda, you can see how is it fizzing. So that's a chemical reaction happening right there by mixing those 2 together. I don't know what chemical reaction is that, but you can probably let me know down below. Here we go, and now I'm applying the paste on the lids. I'm starting the lids first, and using some paper. You see the color of the resting coming off. So yes, what the mixture is doing is dissolving the rust. But some area I was unable to remove the rust, because actually the rust kind of broke the metal, so that one will stay there for a long time. You see the difference now? It's really shiny. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this, and of course let me know how you guys remove any rust if you have the same issue as me, and let me know down below. Thank you. So at this point I'm gonna be doing exactly the same thing that I've done with the lid, and just applying the mixture and then rubbing it, removing the rust as much as I can, and that's it. You're done. Here we go. They look shiny, they look just like new. And I'm really happy that I could save them, because I really didn't want to trash them. And like I say, I really like these jars, and so this time I'm gonna do it again. Of course, I'm gonna store my seasoning. I'm gonna put in there my seasoning cubes. These ones are wrapped. So, and I'm gonna do as best as I can to make sure that I don't wet the metal part. Always dry my hand before using it. And I already told my husband we should try, to have our hands dry before touching that. And also on this one, my second one, I will be putting some salt. And for the third one, I have some flax seeds that I still have in the package, so I will put it in the jar as well. So for my second project, I'm cleaning my glass kettle. We use this all the time, almost every day, because we drink a lot of tea. And recently, after opening my last box, I finally found my teapot. I noticed some lime scale in the bottom, and I thought that I will remove it. So same thing, we're using lemon juice again, and so what you do, I put 1 cup of lemon juice and 1 cup of water, and put it in boil. Of course, make sure it's on boil and not on warm. Yes, so if you have the same as mine, you do that. So like you can see, the water is boiling. It's pretty easy, pretty quick. And then I let it rest for 30 minutes. And that's it. What you do, you just dump the mixture and clean your kettle like you usually do, soapy water, and that's it. And it looks really clear. I can even see myself inside, just like a mirror. So here we go. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.